Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Trouble is once again brewing between the senior Reggae Girlz and the Jamaica Football Federation, JFF. And some players have taken to social media to voice their frustration about not being paid. But as we hear in this report from Denise Walters, the JFF president, Michael Ricketts, says those statements may not necessarily be true.
In a series of Instagram posts, several Reggae Girlz, including striker Khadija Bonishaw, noted that they have not been paid by the Jamaica Football Federation, JFF, and as a consequence, will not be playing until they are paid. Shaw said, quote, "I choose not to represent Jamaica in any future tournaments due to the fact that I haven't been paid what we were promised by legal agreement. Until then, no play." However, JFF General Secretary Dalton Wint told TVJ Sports it was unfortunate that the posts were made as contact was made with the players through team manager G. Nelson, informing them that some of the US $150,000 owed for their monthly payment was paid over and should be received by Wednesday.
An email was sent by the manager informing them that half of their pay had been remitted to them. And so it is unfortunate that we are seeing this from these young ladies, because I know conversation was being had with these young ladies about coming forward to participate in the Olympic qualifying. And we have indication from quite a few of them that they will be coming, and they want us to stick to the promise that we promised them, that they will be paid in full before the end of September.
According to JFF President Michael Ricketts, the remaining monies owed will be paid to the players who are eligible and not part of the U.S. collegiate system about the first week of October, once the federation receives money from FIFA.
And we sent a document to the girls explaining all of that and agreeing to paying them the balance as soon as we get these funds from FIFA. FIFA has confirmed that the money will be paid around about end of September.
Wint has also acknowledged that this latest incident is a black dot on the books of the JFF.
Any negative news is always a black dot. Any negative news, and this is something that we were trying to avoid and we don't want. That's why we have reached out to our players from last week and say to them, hey, work along with us, and they have indicated, I can tell you, the response for these girls were very positive.
The next assignment for the Reggae Girlz, who qualified for the 2019 FIFA World Cup on October 17, 2018, will be the Olympic qualifiers between September 30 and October 8. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.